Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Right now it's just kind of dirty blonde, I guess. And I'm not going to be doing it all, if you can tell by the title. I'm going to be doing like a hidden dye kind of. So basically it's just like a section in the back of my head. It's gonna go around like that, and then so whenever my hair like spreads out, you'll be able to see it. So you won't be able to see it all the time, but just some of the time. So if you want to see that, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have brushed on my hair and gotten it ready, and now I'm going to section off the part that I want to dye. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, so now that I have my hair sectioned off, this will be the part that I'm dyeing. I'm going to mix my bleach, and then, oh, how attractive. I'm gonna mix my bleach and then put it on. So yeah, I'm low-key not feeling this, but we're gonna do it anyways, because why not? Okay, so now I have bleached, washed, and blow dried these parts, and it did get a lot lighter than it was before, so that's good. Now I'm going to mix up my colors and, you know, dye my hair. There's no going back now, I guess. Yeah, so that's cool. This definitely feels like straw, but it's okay. It's fine. Oh, you guys can't really see it. There you go. Stand on one foot. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna start my hair tucked back here. Put it in the shirt. Hope that the saran wrap is protecting you. Okay, let's get started. So I wanted to show you guys the final results. The reason why you can't see it on the sides is because I took those 2 chunks of hair off the front at the beginning while sectioning off hair. So if you don't want it to show through whenever you put ponytails in, or whenever you put ponytails in your hair, then you can do that and it will most likely not show it on the sides. But if you don't care, then just take all of that, it'll be fine. But this is how it looks. It just pokes through barely. It's nice and subtle. It's under like that. And if I section off my hair like I did before, then it is all under there like that. And same on this side. But you can see where I took that section out to create a more natural looking ponytail. So yeah, so it's natural looking, but then whenever you pull it up, you can see the hints of whatever color you choose. And I hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Yeah, bye.